Translocation of organic substances theories. Organic substances prepared by photosynthesis in plants, they distributed to total plant pods through the phloem tissues. Already two experiments completed. One is aphid insect experiment. Second one is ringing experiment. By these two experiments, translocation of organic substance done by the phloem tissues. So now we discussed about how to translocate that organic substance to total plant pods in plant anatomy, in plant body. Mainly two theories are explained: the translocation of organic substance in plants. One is cytoplasmic streaming theory. Second one is mass flow or pressure flow theory. Mass flow or pressure flow theory. First, we discussed about the cytoplasmic theory, cytoplasmic streaming theory. Cytoplasmic streaming theory means all cells are connected with each other through the plasmodesmata. Through the plasmodesmata, mainly the organic substance moves from one cell to another cell. During the movement of cytoplasm moves from one cell to another cell through the plasmodesmata. During these movement of cytoplasmic streaming, organic substance also moves from one cell to another cell. One cell to another cell is called cytoplasmic streaming theory. But next, second theory is mass flow or pressure flow theory. It explained by Munch scientist. The Munch scientist explained mass flow or pressure flow through the phloem tissues. See children, the mass flow or pressure flow explained by this experiment. We take two osmotic potential parts. Two osmotic potential parts are A and B osmotic potential parts. These two osmotic potential parts are covered with a plasma layer. And these two osmotic potential parts are connected with long glass tube, that is C. The A and B osmotic potential parts are connected with glass tube C. This total experiment kept in D beaker. The D beaker filled with water, normal water. Then we add high concentration of sugar solution in A part. High concentration of sugar solution in A osmotic potential part. What will happen here? It is, according to osmosis, the A osmotic potential part containing high concentration of sugar solutions. But outside of A osmotic potential in D beaker, low sugar levels are present. Low sugar levels are present in the D beaker and high sugar levels are present in the A osmotic potential part. According to osmosis, the D beaker water or D beaker sugar levels, low sugar levels moves to the high concentration of sugar levels through the semi-permeable membrane. What will happen during these osmotic potential pressure? D beaker water enter into A osmotic potential part. In A osmotic potential part, the concentration will be, pressure will be applicable in A osmotic potential part. By this pressure, the osmotic potential part containing high concentration of sugar levels are moves to C glass tube and they reach to the B osmotic potential part. B osmotic potential part. Then from the B osmotic potential part, we collected high concentration of sugar solution. Means the high concentration of sugar solutions are eliminated from the B osmotic potential part. What will happen here? It is completely low concentration, low sugar concentration in the B osmotic potential part. Then outside of the B osmotic potential part, high concentration is there. high concentration in B more than high concentration in the D beaker. What will happen according to osmosis? Low concentration of liquids moves to high concentration of liquids. Where is high concentration in the B beaker? Where is low concentration in B beaker? According to osmosis, from the B osmotic potential part, liquids moves to the D beaker. There it is the continuous process. When we added to the high concentration of sugar solutions in the A osmotic potential part, we continuously collect from the B osmotic potential part from the sugar levels. Sugar is eliminated from the B osmotic potential part. It is the continuous process. Based on these experiment, the Munch explained these four major parts. A osmotic potential part similar to leaf function. Leaf function means the leaf synthesized food material. Always the leaf synthesized food material. In the leaf anatomy, high concentration of sugar solutions are present. So through the phloem tissues is the C glass tube. The organic solutes are moved through the phloem. The phloem is the C glass tube and reach to the storage parts or sink parts of the plants. Storage parts means automatically the storage parts are stored in the B osmotic potential part or sink parts are utilizing cellular portions. What will happen here? It is the concentration of sugar solutions are utilized. So automatically in B osmotic potential part, B osmotic potential parts are called fruits or storage organs of the plant, and utilizing cells, sugar utilizing cells, they are called sinks. Then D beaker related to this xylem means A leaf, C glass tube is phloem, and B osmotic potential is storage organs or sinks, and D beaker related to the are similar to xylem. Based on these experiment, by the osmotic potential pressure, organic solutes are moved from the leaf anatomy to storage organs through the phloem tissue, and from the storage organs liquid moves to the A osmotic potential part. A osmotic potential part means it is the leaf.